Welcome to another video from Destinations A to Z. We are at Perry Fairgrounds here in Perry, Georgia. Check out what we're looking at right here. These are all the RVs here at FRVA, what used to be former FMCA. Let's go in here and check them out, go through them, show you what they got. Back here in the back, we've got another Fleetwood Discovery. This one is a 45 foot. Again, it has double Gerard awnings. Outdoor entertainment system, does have steerable tag axle in the back. Again, on the Freightliner chassis. Let's go in and check it out. This one has a neutral leather interior, but darker cabinetry. This one is, here's your price. This one is a LXE 44B. You see the price. List price is $659,126. Show price is $449,995. We do have a nice U-shaped dinette. Then you have your half bath here. Very nice. Then here's your tilt king bed. No window in the bedroom on this one. And here you have your master bath with your sink. Got your bunks back here in the back. The bunks do fold up and make a closet, so very nice space utilization for families, or whenever your kids move out, then you can have your grandkids. Nice shower. Again, real nice. Nice ceiling medallion. Again, it does have the height aloft up above the cockpit, and again here you see it's the Freightliner cockpit. Very nice.